Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. So today I will show you how I made this boho art. So boho line art painting is trendy nowadays and everybody is trying it out. So I thought it would be perfect for my photo gallery wall decor. And yeah, I just give it a try and let's hope you like it. So before we start the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So we will be needing one photo frame, and printout of the picture that we will be using in the Boho Line Art painting, and the jute sheet which I bought it from Itsy Bitsy. And acrylic white marker which I bought it from Amazon. I will remove the frame and take out the glass from it and place the glass on top of the sketch, placing the tissue on top of the glass to avoid the hand mark, drawing all the lines with the help of the acrylic white marker. It doesn't matter that the white marker should be exactly on the black line, just make sure that the drawing should be perfect. That's it. I'm marking the jute sheet as per the size of the photo frame, and I will cut the extra with the help of the scissor. Now it's done. It is looking so simple and nice. So that was my boho line art painting. So like I said before, this is very easy and you can also try it at your home. Hope you liked the video and please let me know in the comments below how you like the DIY. Your support means a lot, so hope you keep supporting me to deliver new DIY videos and home decor. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.